All right, so for number 5, the question asks for part A, it says, is the number 96% a parameter or a statistic? Okay, so remember, where did they get this 96% from? Okay, is it from the population or is it from a sample? Okay, so it says in a large-scale online survey, 175,000 users were responded. Okay, so this is a survey. Okay, so it's a sample. So this is going to be a statistic because I can spell it came from a sample. Okay, remember parameters are population. Okay, so now part B says, without doing any calculations, explain why the margin of error is so small. So remember the things we talked about of the different effects changing different parts of like different numbers about will change our margin of error. Okay, so in this case, look at how many people were surveyed. Okay, 175,000 people. Okay, that is a lot of people. Okay, so because the sample size is so large, okay, that leads to a small margin of error. Okay. All right, so now it says, how confident should you be the true portion of internet users is between these two numbers? All right. Okay, so they give us our margin of error. They give us all this information in the problem. Okay, they give it the margin of error of 0.15%, and they give us the n. They give us the p hat. So remember, we know our formula. I'm on eraser. Come on, why is my pen not working? There it is. Margin of error is equal to z star times p square root of p hat 1 minus p hat all over n. We have almost all that information. We have our margin of error, which is going to be 0.0015. We do not have our z star. Okay, we do have our p hat, which means our 1 minus p hat is 0.04, all over our n of 175,000. Okay, so what we're going to do for this is solve for z. Okay, because it's going to help us find our confidence level. All right, so we solve this for z, a little bit of algebra later. We get z of 3.2, and remember, in our normal curve, this means we've got a negative 3.2 on this side, we've got a 3.2 on this side, and we're going to figure out what our confidence level is. Okay, and that's just going to be a little bit of a normal CDF, which is a low of 3.2, an upper of 3.2, and then all the rest of the default stuff. So we end up with a confidence level of 99.9%. All right.